Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Heroku dashboard for app security best practices, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Heroku. Press the enter key to navigate to the Heroku homepage. On the homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be taken to the login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Heroku account. Next, input your password in the designated field. Ensure both entries are correct to avoid any login issues. Once you have filled in your credentials, click on the login button. If your credentials are valid, you will be redirected to the Heroku dashboard. Upon reaching the dashboard, take a moment to review your applications. To enhance app security, navigate to the account settings. Find the account settings option, usually located in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. Click on Account Settings to access security features. Here, consider enabling two-factor authentication for added protection. To activate this feature, follow the on-screen instructions. You may also review and update your password regularly. If necessary, revoke access for any unused or outdated applications. This can help keep your account secure from unauthorized access. For further protection, use environment variables for sensitive data in your applications. Make sure to regularly monitor your applications for any unauthorized changes. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Heroku dashboard. Regularly reviewing these settings helps maintain a secure app environment. Continue to educate yourself on best practices for app security as technology evolves. This ensures your applications remain protected against potential threats. By prioritizing your app security, you safeguard not only your data but your users as well. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.